Hi, myself Nehal Jamal, and I am doing my BTech from JNTU Hyderabad. As my final year, I am here to explain about my mini project about water level indicator. And this is the layout of circuit diagram of water level indicator. You can see here that this is PCB. All the circuits are implemented on the PCB through some extra equipments like solderon. Solderon. This is solderon. By the help of this, we are doing soldering, and this is soldering iron. This is soldering wire. Sorry, we are going to implement soldering by the help of this wire. Actually, this plays the important role in soldering. Uh, and some extra equipment like scissors are there to cut down wires if it's going long. And this is the main soldering paste we are going to use. After we are going to use in soldering, actually by the help of this the soldering can be done smoothly and very easily. And what else? uh, this is the battery to power the circuit. Actually this circuit needs 5 volts power, and this is 3.5 volts. Actually it's going to work after 3.5 volts, so we can use mobile battery also. You can see here, taken out from my mobile. And this is the circuit. And now, so why we are using the circuit is, this is the main function of the circuit is going to display on the 7 segment display the level of water. When these 9 wires, wire 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, these 9 level water, 9 wires are when immersed in the water tanker. They show the level of water on the 7 segment display. So what actually happens is, we are having water tanker at our home, on the roof, on the top of the home. So when the water tanker is full, we don't have an idea either it is full or empty, or half filled or full filled or partially filled. So we need to check every time. We need to go upstairs to the roof and need to check either it is full or not. So here we are going to eliminate this problem. We are going to eliminate this difficulty by using this circuit. We are just implementing this circuit on water tanker, and these 9 levels, water 9 wires are immersed into the water at different levels in the water tanker. So what happens is, when the water is filled, when it is some level reach the water, then what the wire number 1 touches the water level, and now it touches the water level. The screen of the 7 segment display just shows the level of water as 1. If there is no water, it just shows 0. So how it works is, actually you can see here, there is two ICs acting as a water sensors. This is IC 74147 and this is IC CD4511. These are acting as a water sensors. So when water is not there, the input pins of the ICs are high, and when input pins are high, it produces the high output. And when it produces the high output, you can see here some transistors are there. They are acting as a switch. They are acting as being on and off. And when the output of IC is high, they convert the high output into low, and this is produced in the input of CD4511. And when the input of CD4511, the low input is produced, it produces a low output. And according to this, the 7 segment display the 0 result. I mean to say is, when water is not there, it just shows 0, level 0. And now what happens if water is there in the tanker? When water is there, uh, you can see, if some water level is some not fully filled, if some water level is reached into the tanker, the level 1 is touched, the wire 1 is touched to the water. And according the regarding pin of the IC 74147, it goes high, and it produces the high output. So the so the transistor produces a low, and when it is produces a low, the CD4511 is going to produce high, and according to this, the level is sourced to 1. Just As in the similar way, when the water reaches the level 2, the level 2, the regarding wire is touched to the water, and level 2 pin 2 of the IC CD 74157 goes high, and when it goes high, goes low, the transistor, what the transistor acts is just change the signal from low to high, and CD4511 change the signal to 7 segment display, I mean digital display. On the digital level we can see the level 2. So in a similar way, all when the water level reaches the level 3, level 4, level 5, 6, level 7, and level 8, and level 9, the regarding outputs are seen on the 7 segment display. This is the working of this whole circuit. And now this cost of the circuit is very low, not that much, just 20 to just 15 to 20 dollars. You can buy it, and if you are having some knowledge of soldering or implementing the circuit, you can just implement it by just buying some transistors and resistors and ICs and the 7 segment display. Then it costs was very low, just $5. So here we go. Now we want to check the circuit. Check it out how it is works. So plus minus. So my implementation is I think success. Is it showing on the display?
No.
Not showing. It had shown before.
Certificate. Yeah.